Welcome to Baloch Scholarship Corner. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get more information regarding scholarship, internship and much more. Hello viewers, welcome to another information regarding scholarships. CM Scholarship Program 2021 Chief Minister Endowment Fund. Chief Minister Endowment Scholarship Program. Good news for the students who are facing financial difficulties. Application are now open. Apply for CM Scholarship 2021. The Chief Minister Endowment Fund Scholarship is offered by the government of KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, for the students who cannot continue their education due to their financial issue. CM Scholarship is a good opportunity for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa students, so you must apply. Don't forget to apply. I will provide the link in video description so you can check it out there. CM Scholarship 2021 is fully funded scholarship for undergraduate and postgraduate students. The host organization will cover all scholarship expenses. That candidate will also get a monthly spend of 5,000 PKR. All candidate male and female who cannot continue their studies or unable to take admission because of financial problem are highly encouraged to apply for CM Scholarship 2021 program. The Chief Minister Endowment Fund Scholarship 2021 is offered for the BS, BE, MS, MPhil and PhD candidate who are already enrolled in undergraduate or postgraduate program may apply for the CM Scholarship Program 2021. Scholarship for the application for the scholarship must submit through the proper channel. Application submitted directly through the management will not be entertained and will be rejected. So this is the information about scholarship. CM Scholarship 2021. Country is Pakistan. Host organization government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Gender male and female both are eligible to apply. Scholarship type fully funded. Scholarship BS, BE, MS, MPhil and PhD. CM Scholarship benefit. What are the benefits of CM Scholarship? This scholarship is totally fully funded and cover all the education expenses that candidate may not able to give, so it's fully funded for those. Monthly spend is 5,000. And the scholarship is offered for BS and BE and MS, MPhil and PhD. Eligibility criteria. What are the eligibility criteria for applying CM Scholarship 2021? The candidate must fulfill the following eligibility criteria. For undergraduate criteria are mentioned here. You can read it out. Candidate holding KPK domicile are only eligible to apply. The candidate must not have secured any other scholarship. The scholarship is offered to approved institution. The monthly income of the father must not exceed 1 lakh. Provisional of the undertaking. Postgraduate. For the postgraduate, what are the eligibility criteria? Candidate holding same year domicile of KPK. Candidate must have secured minimum 50% score in GRE. GRE is a type of test, so you must secure GRE 50% and for MS and MPhil admission. Applicant must have achieved at 60% score in GRE and GATE or for PhD student also. The candidate age must not exceed 50 years. That means your age should not be above 50 years for applying PhD and MPhil scholarship. Candidate CGPA must be 3.0 out of 4 and 3.7 out of 5. The monthly income of the father must not exceed 1 lakh. How to apply for this scholarship? Totally mentioned here. To apply for this scholarship, this is the official advertisement. You can read it here and let's zoom it out. You should apply through this advertisement and you should send your form management unit, higher education, Achieve and library department, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Address are also mentioned here. You can mail your all document by TCS. So thank you for watching this. I hope you got it. If you have any problem, you can drop it in comment box. So please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update about any foreign, international and national scholarship updates.